Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually going to be recreating something that I just recently watched. Shout out to Art by Melody. I love her work. So let's see how this turns out. So first I'm going to change the background color to gray. So I'm going to be drawing water droplets. Like I said, this video is inspired by Art by Melody. And she actually showed a pretty cool illusion, and it was actually pretty easy. So let's start off with the monoline brush. And I am going to draw a basic oval shape. Okay, that's a little too ovalish. Okay, that's fine. All right, so now we're gonna color fill. And then now what you want to do is, actually let me move this down some. I'm gonna make it smaller just so I don't run out of room. So you're gonna select the layer and then you're going to alpha lock it. You're gonna hold down on the color of your background, and with the alpha lock tool, it's going to make sure that we can't color outside of the shape that we just created. So I'm gonna select soft brush. And let me turn it down some. Now I'm going to move my brush in like a circular motion, just like that. So now with alpha lock still being on, you want to choose a darker gray. Let's turn down our brush some. You want it a bit smaller. Now we're gonna go around the edges of our shape. So now that we've done that, I want you to create a new layer, and we're gonna drag that new layer right beneath the one that we've already created. Open up your color palette, select black, and we're just gonna, oops, forgot. Let's go back to the monoline brush. Alrighty, now we're just gonna create like an egg shape, half of an egg, and you're gonna hold it so it smooths out that line for you. So let's see, I kind of want to turn that, all right, just a tad. So now we're going to hide our first layer so we can actually close this shape in order to color fill it. You're going to drag a line, close it, and hold it down. Okay, oops. So now we're going to color fill. Boom. So let's turn on, excuse me, let's turn on that first layer. If you're not satisfied with the angle or the shape of it, please keep in mind you can always move around. That's the glory of being able to draw on different layers digitally. So now I'm actually going to use my Gaussian blur tool for the layer that's underneath the first. And let's give it that shadow. I'm going to hit my eraser tool and I'm going to select soft airbrush and I'm going to turn it up just a bit. Now, I'm just gonna lightly erase the inner perimeter of the shadow that I've just created. Alrighty. And now, last but not least, let's select that white color again, go back to our monoline brush. We're gonna add a layer on top of our shape. Let's turn down. And you're gonna create a small circle and you're gonna hold it. Okay, and then you're gonna color fill it. And there we are. You have your water droplet. I feel like it could be better, but I'm not gonna beat myself up. So I'm actually going to take my brush again, turn it up. I'm going to turn down the opacity. I'm going to go back here and I'm just going to, I don't know, I just felt like, nope, wrong color, that's why. I don't know, I just felt like it was like a line of demarcation and I don't like that. That looks a lot better to me, but here's the end result. I think I did pretty awesome, guys. Let me know what you think. If you have any more ideas or anything else that you would like for me to do a video on, please feel free to comment in the bottom. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.